If you've ever sat staring at your phone at 9:59 a.m., only to watch every available Tatkal seat disappear into the waiting list seconds after the window opens, you know how frustrating this process is. Forget the fake hacks and keychain sync tutorials you see online. To actually get a ticket in 2026, we are going to look strictly at what the current IRCTC regulations require. Before the clock even starts, you need exactly 3 things physically in front of you. First, your iPhone, the official IRCTC app, and your Aadhaar-linked SIM device. Securing a Tatkal ticket is no longer a test of how fast your fingers move. It is entirely a test of how well you prepare your system and comply with IRCTC's internal rules. Step 1. Ignore third-party booking apps like Ixigo or ConfirmTkt for the opening minutes of Tatkal. This diagram breaks down the booking window. Since 2025, authorized agents are legally locked out of the first 30 minutes. For AC classes, 10 to 10:30 a.m., non-AC, 11 to 11:30 a.m. While massive waves of automated agent requests bounce off the system, individual users get a clear, unobstructed path. Because of this lockout, booking directly through the official IRCTC app or website gives you absolute priority server access during that critical half hour. Third-party apps remain perfectly legitimate tools for general bookings later in the day, but at exactly 10 a.m. or 11 a.m., they are functionally useless. If you rely on a third-party app because the interface feels faster, you will fail, because the system will intentionally block your transaction. Look at this profile settings screen. To book online Tatkal tickets in 2026, securing this green Aadhaar-linked badge on your account is mandatory. You must complete this linking days before your travel date. The system now demands a live OTP verification right in the middle of the checkout flow to confirm your identity. This means the specific mobile device containing your Aadhaar-linked SIM card must be physically reachable and able to receive messages while you are booking. Keep the hard capacity limits in mind for that restricted 30-minute window. Your account is strictly capped at 4 passengers and a single transaction. Having a fast network connection means nothing if you hit a verification wall. Failing to link your identity in advance or realizing your primary SIM is in another room will quietly kill an otherwise perfect booking attempt. To eliminate manual data entry during the live window, you need to use this interface, the IRCTC Master List. Input and save all of your passenger details into this list well before your actual travel date. With data entry bypassed, we optimize the checkout phase. Your best payment option is the official IRCTC e-wallet. You might read outdated guides claiming the e-wallet is blocked during morning Tatkal hours. That restriction was lifted years ago, and it is fully active in 2026. This flowchart illustrates the structural advantage of the e-wallet. A standard UPI or card payment has to bounce between external bank servers and wait for a payment gateway OTP. The e-wallet takes a direct, single-hop path, using funds already loaded inside the IRCTC system. To set it up, navigate to the IRCTC Exclusive section in your profile, verify your identity, and set a dedicated transaction password. Load your funds early and make sure to include a buffer amount to cover the variable Tatkal surcharges on top of your base fare. Because servers operate under heavy load, execute a standard non-Tatkal booking test run beforehand to verify your transaction password processes smoothly. By preloading your passenger data and internal funds, you reduce a frantic multi-screen typing race down to a simple 2-click confirmation. On the morning of your booking, log into your account at exactly 9:58 a.m. Search for your specific train and class immediately while you wait, rather than running a cold search when the clock strikes the hour. Watch the clock. The second the hand locks into the top position and the booking window opens, initiate the flow. Select your passengers directly from the master list prompt with a single tap. When the mandatory Aadhaar OTP arrives, the iPhone hardware provides a specific advantage. The native iOS keyboard automatically captures the incoming SMS and displays it right here in the suggestion bubble above the keys. Tap the code, proceed to payment, select your e-wallet, and type your preset transaction password to complete the purchase. By stringing these isolated steps together, you systematically eliminate external dependencies and latency points, allowing you to secure the ticket within 60 seconds. Execute that setup properly, and this is the screen you see, a secured, confirmed PNR status. Success relies on 4 structural pillars: booking directly on the official platform, completing your Aadhaar-linking early, utilizing the master list, and bypassing bank gateways with the e-wallet. If you know someone who continuously loses the morning booking race, share this framework with them so they can fix their setup. Beating a complex digital system doesn't require secret hacks. It takes a perfect understanding of the system's own rules and solving the bottlenecks before you ever reach them.